Gaga Joy's in the kitchen, mixing up some sin, melting dark chocolate with a devilish grin. Butter's getting buttery, fudge is flowing slow. She's dancing with a spoon, stealing the show. Hot fudge chocolate.
Hi everyone, it's Gaga Joy, Gaga Joy's Cooking. Today we're going to be making a hot fudge chocolate pie. Did you ever think, well, I should make a little dessert, but I don't want to go through all that mess? Got you covered. My oven is on 350, and first we just need to soften one stick of butter, softened. And 1 cup of sugar. Now, the most work you're going to have to do is just with creaming this sugar and butter. Okay, now I've creamed it 3 minutes and it's real fluffy. And I know what you're talking about. I know you know what I'm talking about when I say it's real fluffy and creamy. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is put a little pinch of salt in it, because we're going to use 2 eggs. I think the rule of thumb is you always use salt in anything that has eggs. And vanilla, teaspoon of vanilla. Well, it hasn't been opened. Okay. Let me mix this up.
Gaga Joy's in the kitchen, mixing up some sin, melting dark chocolate with a devilish grin. Butter's getting buttery, fudge is flowing slow. She's dancing with a spoon, stealing the show. Hot fudge chocolate pie, oh Gaga Joy, oh my, gooey, rich and wicked, dripping from the sky.
Okay. Now, I creamed my sugar and butter 3 minutes. Then I added the eggs and vanilla. And the next is the chocolate. It's 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to sift it because chocolate does seem to have a lot of lumps in it. We'll use 2 different kinds of cocoa. The light and the chocolate, the dark chocolate. Okay. Then the last thing we add is our flour. 1/2 cup of flour.
Gaga Joy's in the kitchen, mixing up some sin, melting dark chocolate with a devilish grin. Butter's getting buttery, fudge is flowing slow. She's dancing with a spoon, stealing the show. Hot fudge chocolate pie, oh Gaga Joy, oh my, gooey, rich and wicked, dripping from the sky. She's the queen of cocoa, pie so hot it sings. One bite and you're hers. Gaga Joy brings the bling. Gaga Joy brings the bling.
And that's it. and put it in that pie shell. If this comes out hot fudge, I'm going to be the most surprised because this is not very moist. So, but if it's not, we'll have a plate of brownies. My friend sent me this last night, and I thought, oh, I told her, I'm going to make that tomorrow. So I haven't made it either. And it looks divine. So we'll just give it one of our good tries. So put it in the oven, 350 for 35 minutes. And we'll be back. Well, I just got it out of the oven. It's still very hot. It actually came my way up to here and went down. So I'm going to cut a piece. Well, it's hot. It's very moist. It is. So I am going to put a little bit more fudge on it. Why not? And a few nuts. It's like, to me, it's like a brownie. But it is so moist. Maybe if I'd had it in a smaller pie pan. See how moist it is? It is almost melted. Well, I guess that's what it is. Actually, that's very good. That's extremely good. I think if I make it again, I probably will. I'm going to put it in a smaller pie pan. Well, it's wonderful. Sometimes things don't turn out like the picture, as we all know. But that is good. You can see how soft it is. And I had it in the oven exactly 30 minutes. So take care of yourself. Go make your pie. And you won't have to worry about having another pie. Take care of yourself. I enjoy doing this. I've got to call and tell my friend and show her a picture of it. Take care of yourself. I'll see you soon. Remember the joy. And take care of everyone around you that you love. See you soon.
Mixing up some sin, melting dark chocolate with a devilish grin. Butter's getting buttery, fudge is flowing slow. She's dancing with a spoon, stealing the show. Hot fudge chocolate pie, oh Gaga Joy, oh my. Gooey, rich and wicked, dripping from the sky. She's the queen.